Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video is about my holiday look, my holiday glam. I'm trying to figure out what color I want to wear. Do I want to go black, or do I want to go V-neck, or do I want to go red to match my holiday decor? So today's video is sponsored by Julia. Julia is high premium artisan jewelry. I'm telling you guys, look at these dazzling earrings I have on. The company reached out to me a couple weeks ago and it took me 2 weeks to figure out what to pick out, guys. Look at this. So the product I picked were these beautiful dazzling earrings that are sterling silver with sort of like a diamond cut in them all throughout the whole ring. And I'm going to show you right here. Now in the catalog, it'll show you how they make their jewelry line. Guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. I had to bring this one to you. Okay, there are so many different things you can get here from their jewelry line. I was about to pick this one here, which was the, and maybe next time I will, it was this beautiful bracelet, but I end up getting these beautiful earrings. I wasn't sure because I needed some more earrings, and I'm like, let me try these out. Let's see how they look. So I think for the holiday, maybe for New Year's Eve, I'll have it up. For Christmas, might be a little bit casual, but I think for New Year's Eve, I think I'm going to go with this type of look. Sort of have my hair up, you know. Look, I think I want to go more of the berries, like the dark hair. My eyes is a little dark. And I figure with this, it really pops. Guys, the packaging is amazing, guys. You know what I say? Black and bling. Remember, I keep telling you, black and bling. And when you open up the top, it is our favorite color, which is rose gold. This is a beautiful rose gold logo on the inside. This is really nice, and I mean, I really appreciate, you know, anytime a vendor reaches out to me, or I'm pretty sure the other YouTubers as well, to show them their products, because we're only going to show you something that we would use, we like, and we would wear. We're not going to show you anything that is, you know, just for the sake of getting free products. So guys, I'm telling you, I'm loving these earrings so far. Now also you see that it came, as you can see, with a gift bag if you want to gift this to someone. But you know, Mooregirl is not. I'm going to wear these and I'm going to rock this all holiday season. And again, you know me, I'm about the black and the bling. Yes, I am, guys. So I'm going to rock my earrings, guys. I'm sorry. These are absolutely stunning, as you can see. The company is also known to make sort of personalized jewelry. I was going to get the necklace. You know how they carry necklace on Sex and the City? They made some personalized ones. I was going to get Mooregirl on it. I'm like, maybe next time I'll do that. And maybe next time I'll get the bracelet. And maybe I will gift, you know, something to someone. I think this will make a nice gift. And I wanted to wait again to show you all kinds of holiday gifts that they have. They're also known for their beautiful like wedding band accessories. They have all type of like engagement rings. They have wedding bands in here. I mean, it's beautiful. They had this other one, charm, that was really cute. They had cute little group from Guardians of the Galaxy. That was so cute. I think that would make a nice cute gift for like a teenager, you know. But then again, I might want to get one too. There's one even come in rose gold. Yes, I think that'll make like a cute gift for maybe like a teenager who's into things like that. But I'm going to tell you, the next one is going to be this stunning tennis bracelet. You can't even tell that these are not real. And the jewelry didn't take that long to come. I'm pretty sure if you order, you're going to definitely have it by the holiday season. Again, you know, I think this is stunning, beautiful line that they have here. From their bracelets to their earrings to their necklaces down to their wedding bands. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use this for their wedding bands. Like maybe they don't want to wear their expensive bands out and they will have like a substitute wedding band. And I think that's a good idea, especially sometimes if you're not comfortable wearing your $10,000, $20,000 ring out in public. You could put something like this on instead. I don't blame them, you know, because just in case you don't know, and especially if you go on vacation, you want to make sure you're so taken, but you want to have a nice substitute diamond to put on your finger just in case. But all right, guys, I just wanted to just show you this beautiful, oh my God, I can just go shop here all the time. I'm telling you, this is absolutely stunning. I am so glad I selected this earrings because I am so ready for this holiday look. And you know, also, you know, this time of the year, I just want to start slaying it. And I want to see what kind of look I want. I said at Christmas, I think I'm going to go with burgundy. But for New Year's, I think these are stunning to wear at a party, you know. Oh, absolutely gorgeous, guys. I think I could rock this at a party, and they're not too big. I don't like big hoopy earrings, so I'm glad this was a nice size for me. I don't want anything heavy. They're very light weight. You know, they don't pull. I don't want anything pulling on my earlobe. So again, they are beautiful. They're sterling silver. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. So again, I am definitely recommending this, you know, for a nice holiday gift to give to one of your loved ones, one of the kids, one of your spouses. I think that's going to rock, especially any of you guys out there. I'm pretty sure your wife will love a nice set, if not a ring set, maybe that tennis bracelet, because I'm really wanting that tennis bracelet now. I wanted to show you this quick unboxing by the company Julia. All right, guys, go check out their website. It's julia.com. All right, tell me your more girls send you, and of course, I'm going to have coupon codes for all my subscribers who want to try out their jewelry. Go check out their site. All right, guys, it's your more girl, and I'll see you at the next video, guys. All right, it's more girl.